Etsy is one of the biggest marketplaces in the world, and a huge part of what sells there are digital products. I went for the most popular categories to see what's actually moving, so if you have an online store, you can take any of these and run with it. Most of the list is what you'd expect, but number one genuinely surprised me, and I'll get to it at the end. Starting at 10, pet care. Americans spend over $150 billion a year on their animals, and a big chunk of that is people trying to figure out how to take care of them properly. So there is a lot of demand for things like puppy guides for the first week at home, how to understand your cat's behavior, and simple training walkthroughs. Average sale price is around $24. You keep about 11 of that. And people in this niche tend to come back. They get another pet, their dog enters a new stage, something changes. This one never really gets old because people always take care of their homes. They move, renovate rooms, or change interior styles. It's not one-time purchase. What works best here are short printable checklists, cleaning schedules, room-by-room declutter guides, kitchen setup plans. Forget about long ebooks. The idea is to buy, print it, and stick it on the fridge. Average sale is around $21 and profit is about 9.6. That outsells everything else in this category. Digital product niche number 8, stress and sleep. Within the wellness niche, sleep is growing faster than anything else. And I think it's because people have finally stopped pretending that 5 hours of sleep is fine. Evening routine guides, anxiety management, walkthroughs, breathing techniques. What's worth knowing about this category is when people buy it. Late at night, already lying in bed, there is an urgency to it that most niches don't have. And what about numbers? Sales here hover around $20, so each one puts about $9 in your pocket. By the way, if you don't have an online store yet, then you may start it right away. We are running a promo where you get a free store plus a $100 voucher. Start your Sellvia store now. The link is in the description, and we continue. Number 7 is fitness. And I want to be specific here because when people hear fitness, they usually think about video courses or life coaching. That's not what sells best. What works is a printable 4-week home workout plan, a morning routine, a habit tracker, something simple and ready to use. Every January, the profit in this category doubles. Why? I think you guessed. Yes, the famous New Year resolution. I'll get fit this year. So if you have products ready before New Year's, the demand will be there. Products here are not very expensive, around $12 per sale, with $5.4 going to you. Number 6, mindset and confidence niche. People come here when something in life isn't all right. Hate a job, a relationship that ended, a habit you can't break, and you're looking for guidance. So the digital products here are self-confidence guides, self-esteem workbooks, and goal-setting frameworks. And what's great here is that someone who buys a confident guide usually comes back within a week or two for something else. Your store becomes a part of their healing journey. The profit here is about $7.5 with average sales around 16. By the way, you might have noticed nothing on this list is about hobbies, crafts, or anything handmade. Sure, PDFs with cooking recipes, DIY guides, wedding templates looks great on Pinterest, but on Etsy, these niches are too saturated and the average sale price has dropped to $4 or even less, which means you are keeping less than $2. Okay, next one. Number 5 is skincare. People spend serious money on serums and creams, but often have no idea how to use them together, which ingredients cancel each other out, what order to layer things in. And these digital guides fill in this knowledge gap. Skincare search volume spikes 4 times a year: spring, summer, back-to-school period, and December. And it's one of the higher ticket categories on this list, with average sale around $24 and profit about 11. The fourth niche is AI productivity. Everyone knows AI is changing how people work. The problem is most people have no idea how to use it for anything practical, how to write a better resume, how to use AI for personal finance, how to automate some other process. Since AI is all the rage right now, it's the fastest growing category of digital products on this list, and it's not oversaturated yet. But that won't last long, so you need to hurry. Average sale is around $22 with profit about $10. Number 3. Personal style. One of the biggest niches on Etsy by product volume. Most people have a closet full of clothes and still feel like they have nothing to wear. Guides solve that, whether it's dressing for your body type, building a capsule wardrobe, or figuring out your aesthetic. It also does really well on Pinterest because the content is visual and the problem is specific. The whole solution fits in one PDF. Average sale is around $17 and profit is about $8. Number 2. Personal finance. Budget trackers, saving planners, beginner investing guides. Remember I told you that fitness-related products spike every January? Personal finances doesn't do that. Budgeting is a top search term on Etsy every single month. January, August, November, it doesn't matter. The stress around money doesn't have an off-season. Average sale is lower here, around $9, but with profit about 4.4 by the volume and consistency make up for it. Okay, number 1. Remember what I said at start? Car buying guides. Buying a used or even a new car is one of the most stressful things most people do, and almost everyone has a little idea what they're doing. How do you spot a fluid-damaged car? What do you check before you sign anything? How do you negotiate for a better price? What do these weird noises during a test drive mean? A $10 checklist that saves you from a $15,000 mistake is a lifesaver. And almost nobody is making this as digital products yet. The search term used car inspection checklist has over 40,000 hits a month on Google Trends. The top listing on Etsy has under 200 reviews. And yes, the average profit per sale here is around $5, lower than skincare or pet care, but the competition is way lower. That's the trade-off, and for a lot of people, it's worth it. Okay, let's summarize. If you're choosing it purely by profit per sale, skincare and pet care come out on top, both averaging around $11. If you're looking for a product with a huge demand and lower competition, choose car buying guides. Often it's not the most obvious categories that end up being profitable. And once again, if you're selling through Sellvia, all 10 of these categories are already in the catalog, car guides included. Over 37,000 products across everything we just covered. Pick a niche and go. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video and drop a comment which category surprised you the most.